Hey everybody, it's Melissa from Melissa's Nails Clicks. I have a MelodySusie gel polish haul to share with you guys, and these are 2 packages and there are 6 in each total. This one here is called the One Step Gel Timeless Muse set, and each bottle is 12 milliliters each, or 0.41 fluid ounces. So I will show you guys first in the package because it does have the names, and if you didn't know, the MelodySusie jars, they don't have the names on the bottles, but they do have the colors on top, and they're numbered, so you can either write on maybe the bottom with the actual name or just keep it with the number. It's really up to you. So these are the swatches that I did. This is the Rouge, the Peach, and the Taupe. And Bordeaux, Beige, and Caramel. Alright, and I'll take them out of the package and show you guys. Okay, so these are the tops of the bottles, as you can see, and they're an awesome size. You get a ton for your money. And it just has the website and the caution note, and this is the Rouge. It's kind of like a light pale pink. Beautiful color. As you can see, the swatch came out just like the color in the bottle. It's beautiful. And this is number 2, Peach. On a few of these I had some trouble with the setting time. You see it started to bubble a little bit, so I'll have to watch that. You have to make sure we do super thin layers and to cure. It might have been that it was too thick, because as you can see, this polish is super thick. It's really thick. You can almost get away with 1 coat with these. This is definitely one of my favorites. I love this color. This is the Taupe. Very pretty. And then this one here is Bordeaux. Beautiful. Again, just like the bottle color. I was very, very surprised at how true the colors were. I'm losing the sample. Yeah, the colors were super, like, on point of what to expect. And this is beige. It's like an off-white, obviously. Beautiful color. I love MelodySusie nail polishes. The colors are always so beautiful. Trying to lose the swatch. And Caramel. Isn't that pretty? So this is the Timeless Muse set. And I have one more set to share with you guys. This is a beautiful nude natural flat-based colors to show you guys. And I will show you the next set that I also chose. So the second set that I purchased is this Infinite Nude, and as you can tell, this set doesn't actually have as many nudes, what I consider nude, as my other set, the Timeless Muse set, but they're still super beautiful. These are the One Step Gel polishes again, and I kind of matched it up with the numbering and swatching them out. The first one was lavender, mocha, marsala, slate, peach blow, and pearl. So I will take them out and share with you guys. Okay, so here are all the colors, all numbers on top with the colors. So starting the first one, the lavender, number 1. And I'm gonna have to remember not to use these. It's much easier to stick the swatch on, obviously with the nail tips. I don't know what made me do these. It's easier to cure. That's probably about it. Okay, so we have the lavender, and again, very true to color, just like the bottle. Beautiful purple color. This is a gorgeous brown. Number 2 is mocha. These again are very thick colors. You can get away with 1 coat, which is good, especially if you're doing your toes, because sometimes I don't like to do too many layers on my toes. You can totally get away with one coat. But obviously, to get the full effect of the color, you want to do the whole thing. So this one, I did use a tip here. This is the marsala. Beautiful, like dark, deep dark red. It's very pretty. Gorgeous color. And number 4 is slate. It's a gray. And again, this one I think I did a little too thick also, and it did a little bubbling. As you can see, it has a little bubbling around the edges. So it's something I just need to be careful of. And number 5 is peach blow. It's a super pretty color. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful color. And this is pearl. Very pretty white. Hopefully you can see that little bit of shimmer that it does have. Alright, and that is the Infinite Nude set. Here are the 2 sets again back in the package, and these sets are on Amazon as well, and you can use a discount link if you want to. You can see that in my description box. These were each $19.99 each, and so that comes out to about just over $3 a bottle, which is a very good deal for a gel polish. And we all know MelodySusie, and they last really well. They go on very well. So I just want to share with you guys my purchase. I was super excited to finally get some more MelodySusie. I only have I think 1 other set that's MelodySusie, so I was super excited to grab those. And hopefully with all the deals going on right now online, you guys can grab some as well. So I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.